is the only day trading strategy you will ever need to make it in 2024. All right, what's going on, everybody? In this video I will be breaking down the trade I took on US30 and how I make $1,000 trading my break and retest strategy. All right, without further ado, guys, let's head straight to the chart. Let me show you guys how I do it. All right, this was the trade I took on US30. Now, this was the trade I took on US30 yesterday. I told you guys I only trade the break and retest strategy. That is my strategy. I've been using this strategy for more than decades now. How do I trade this break and retest? Now, when you have the market going to the upside, giving you the series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. All right, now if you can see here, this was your recent resistance here, this was your recent resistance, and now your resistance was broken, pullback, turned into a support. Now if you trim your eye to see again, what do we have here? We still have another resistance here. All right, what do? I will be waiting for the market to break my next structural high, which is my next recent resistance, to pull back to retest. Then I will look to buy just like this, and this is what happened here. Now on this trade, now that is, if I want to buy, this is what I will be doing, and if I want to sell, this is what I will be doing. All right, now what happened on this trade is that it's very simple. Right now I was only waiting for the market to pull back to my point of interest on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, on the 30-minute time frame. Now we have the break of this, our resistance here. This is our resistance, this is our structural high to this level. Right now we have a break of that structural high, but the market couldn't hold at this level, so I couldn't enter. I was watching what the market was doing. The market gave us this pattern here. This candlestick is too big. It will make my stop loss very big. I refuse to enter. Now the market pulled all the way back again. You can see we have a bullish engulfing. I don't just want to take the trade, so I left the market. You understand? I wasn't sure of this type of entry, so I left the market for a while. So when I come back to see the market, now what do we have here? I see the market gave us a morning star here on the 30-minute time frame, and now on this morning star, now we have the market giving us a double bottom like this. This is just a double bottom, just like this. Then I say at the closure of this candle, I am going to buy from here. But what happened, guys? I went down to the 15-minute time frame to see what's happening there. We have a lot of noise around that level. You can see we have a lot of noise, so I decided to go to the 5-minute time frame to wait for what the candlestick will give me. So what do we have here? We have this bullish engulfing candlestick here. Together here, this is the morning star, right? So I entered at this level. So what happened? The market just did its normal retracement there, and now the market, boom, start going on my favor. All right, the market started going on my favor. So as you can see here, this is a 30-minute time frame now on the US30 trade, which the one I took. Now this is the 30-minute time frame. If you can see, this is a full double button on the 30-minute time frame. That was how I was able to take my trade. Yeah, I took 1 to 5. I was risking $200 on this particular trade on my personal account to make $1,000. That is 1 to 5. And up till today, guys, what can you see? The market kept going to the upside. Now the market, up till today, the market kept going to the upside. What if I keep holding now? You can see the market is currently at the 1 to 15 risk reward. Right now, what do we have here? Now on the smaller time frame, let's say on the 15-minute time frame, now what do we have? We have this resistance zone. We have another resistance zone here. But right now, I am sure that the market will come to this one and respect this level here. You understand? That was why I was able to draw my resistance zone. And now, what did the market do? After the play around, the market pulled back to my POI, which is point of interest around that level. What do we have here again? The market still gave us a double bottom around this level. Then boom. That was how I was able to take this trade from this level. A buy from here still. The same thing that happened yesterday. You understand? These are the chart pattern that forms on the indices market very well. On the US30 market, the Nasdaq market, my stop loss was 50 point stop loss exactly, and you can see risking 1 to get 4. That was where I hopped at. Guys, this is just the best day trading strategy you should be using, you know, right? So now I just say I should break this trade down for you guys and tell you how I guys how I trade the break and retest. All right, so that you guys can learn from my trade. So right now, what do we have here? If you see, we have a resistance zone here, just like this. Now the market couldn't come to this level, but now aside from that, we have a bullish engulfing around that level. That is an entry. You can see, if at all we enter this trade, I didn't enter there, but if at all we enter the trade around here, this is, we would have hopped out at 1 to 2. You feel me? So guys, this is just the best day trading strategy to use. All right, this is the best day trading strategy to use.